These are palm kernels. We get palm oil from this. So this is how we are going to process it and keep for cooking. So after pounding, just watch, we pound. And after pounding, we will collect the fleshy part of it. We will wash it inside hot water. We will remove the chaff and the seeds from it. It has some seeds. The seeds are also used for oil. They are called palm kernel oil. It's used for the skin. So we are going to do that in the next video or another video, not in this one. So this one will concentrate on how we are going to collect the concentrate of the palm fruit. All right, so if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. You're welcome. I love you so much. On this channel, this is all we do here. We cook, we eat, we show our lifestyle in Africa, what we do on our day-to-day life. So if you like what you see, don't just go without giving us a like. Please give us a like. It's very important to us, you know. Then leave a comment if you like what you see. If there's anything you want us to improve, that is okay. We welcome new ideas. If you are a returning subscriber or you are a visitor on this channel, please, thank you for always coming back. It is very important that you come back. We wouldn't be here if you were not here. So this right here is being pounded, and just look at the consistency. Yeah, so we are going to add a lot of hot water, boiling water into it, so that it will help remove all the oil from the chaff. We are not going to throw away the chaff. We are going to use the chaff as well, but not for food. We are going to use it for firewood. Okay, and then everything from this palm kernel or palm fruits is not wasted. We are going to use the seeds. We will remove the seeds from the nuts to make oil, like I said before, and then we will use the shells of the palm nuts to do something else. I'll be showing you subsequently. Guys, I'll be showing you all the delicacies we have been cooking with palm oil. You will like it. Palm oil is simply the best and a necessity in your kitchen, guys. So from cooking soups, stew, baking rice, porridge, everything, almost everything we cook, we use it to cook. Is it frying meat, frying yams, frying akara, making moi moi? It's very important, man. It is a necessity in our kitchen. So you notice that all the foods, not all, almost all the foods I'm cooking, I must add palm oil to one or two things. So I'm going to show you how it goes, how we cook, how we add all the delicacies, all our soups, all our foods. I will put down everything here so that you'll be seeing them one by one. Please don't go away. Sit tight. Cross your legs. Like I said, thank you so much. I'm super grateful for you. Thank you. I'm happy that you're always coming. I see all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. So I can't work it your can do can't. Thank you. Don't want to. Sweet now. What thing they do you, ma? Be on mama, madam they do you. Va. Tele, tele. Eh.